Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more content.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make a food restaurant flyer design in Microsoft Office Word. First of all, open your Microsoft Office Word. You can see here, I'm using my Microsoft Office Word 2016 version, and you can easily make any version for your Microsoft Office Word. First of all, click the layout, you can see here, and make a page size. Then go to the margin and narrow. Click size and go to the more preferred size. You can see here. Then weight is 5.5 inches or height is 8.2 inches. You can see here height or weight. Then you can click the OK. You can see here our page is ready for now. Then make a design. Go to the insert and simple go to the shapes and click the rectangle shapes here. You can see here this is our rectangle shape, and draw the shapes something like this. You can see here maybe like this. Then little bit increase the size, and this also increase a little bit off. Then go to the shape outline and make it no outline here. Then click the change shape and click the edit point. You can see here. Then this point is little bit off here, and click this point and little bit this here, and click this point and maybe like this. You can see here something like this, and little bit up here maybe like this. You can see here something like this. Then press Ctrl or Command D to duplicate here, and you can see here. Then go to the format and rotate flip vertical, and click this the flip vertical. You can see here. Then down it and drag it maybe like this. Little bit increase the size here, something like this. You can see here. Then click the shapes and go to the format and change the color, make it the right color. And this also like this one is dark red color is here, maybe click this the shapes and go to the shape fill color and go to format fill and click the red, little bit soft red color. You can see here this color better now this design. Then go to the insert and again choose the shapes and click this rectangle shapes and draw the shapes something like this. And shape outline is make it no outline. Change the color is dark yellow color. You can see here maybe like this. Go to the format and click this static point. You can see here this point is little bit down. Yes. Here, press Ctrl Command D duplicate here. This point is this shapes. Go to format and change the column maybe like this violet color and click the send back and drag this area maybe like this. You can see here and press Ctrl Command D duplicate here and change the color is maybe like this gray color. Drag it and send it back here. Something like this. You can see here. Then go to the insert, click the shapes and click the oval shapes and draw the shapes. Shift bottom press and draw the shapes. You can see here and drag it here maybe like this. You can see here. Then change the color, go to the format and change the color is violet color, make it no outline. You can see here. Then press Ctrl Command D duplicate here and drag it this here and click the format and change the color. It's maybe like this one red color. something like this, and click the shapes and click the bring to front here, you can see here, then drag it here, something like this. Then go to the insert and go to the pictures and choose the pictures your design. Maybe I choose this one design and click the insert and go to the format and warp text in front of text here and drag it here, something like this, and click the rotate and rotate horizontal and click the send backward and send back it here, maybe like this. Then click the shapes and press Ctrl Command duplicate here and go to the format and click the send backward here, send to back here behind text and change the color, something I choose the this the color and send it back here, something like this. And drag it, maybe this. Something like this, and press Ctrl Command duplicate here and change the color. This is also gray color, maybe like this, and send back it here. This also back it here, and this also back here, and drag it, maybe this, you can see here. Then click the shapes and go to the format and choose the shape effect and choose the shadow, and you can make it the shadow, something like this shadow, and click this small icon and go to the shadow option. You can see here this shadow option is here. Then the shadow transparency is the little bit drag here, and blur is not blur, and size is little bit increase the size here. Transparency is little bit this, maybe like this. Angle is size is little bit like this, you can see here. Then close it and click this also and go to format and choose the small icon, and this also choose the shadow effect, make it like this. Transparency is here, blur is not blur, and size is little bit, this one is better now, thank you. You can see here. Then type the burger name here, you can see here. Then I go to the answer and I choose the text box also here and click this text word also here, and you can choose any text box also here, make it, I choose this word style is here, and then I go to the home and click this icon and type the burger, B-U-R-G burger. Then you can see here and select it little bit, increase the size here, something like this 1.0, and remove here, be like this, and change the font style is something I choose this one is font style is like the better. Then increase the size here, something like this, you can see here. Then go to the insert and again choose this the water style is here, and go to the home and choose this icon and type here TXC the Burger King and center alignment here, and select this the text and little bit increase the size, maybe like this, and press Ctrl Command duplicate here and type your restaurant here. restaurant here, maybe like this. You can see here something like this, and go to the insert and choose the shapes and click the oval shapes and draw these shapes. Something like this, and go to the shape fill color and make it no fill color, and outline is the black outline, and little bit outline the word is maybe like this. You can see here. Then go to the insert and click this the shape and choose the shapes, rectangle shapes, and draw these shapes. Something like this, and choose the color is maybe this one color, make it no outline is here, and then click this for text and send to bring to front and drag it here, maybe like this, and send to back here, bring to front here like this, maybe like this. You can see here. Then click this text and press Ctrl Command D duplicate here and drag it maybe like this, and select it and type the best burger. You can see here. Then I click this text and press Ctrl Command D duplicate here and drag it here. And type your slogan here. Maybe I type this. Like this, and this is the little bit increase the font size, something like this here, and drag it something like this. You can see here. Then click this text and press Ctrl Command D duplicate here and drag it and select it like this. Decrease the size here, something like this. You can see here, and type your phone number here and address here. You can see here. Then I go to the insert and I choose this text box and drag it and down it. You can see here. Then go to the home and click this icon and type your you can see here our this design is ready for now. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.